Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy Jay Tang. So today we got an unboxing. As you can tell from the title of the video, we got the Air Jordan 3 Retro Tinker Hatfield NRG in size 11. This shoe retails for $200. And you can tell from the top of the box, it has Tinker Hatfield's pretty cool signature in red in a black box. Alright, I got this from StockX. The box came crushed a little bit right there. Not really that happy about that, but it's just a box, I guess. Alright, so you got a free little decal sticker from StockX, and a letter from StockX saying how good the company is. We'll see about that. Alright, it's the elephant wrapping paper for iconic to the Air Jordan 3, and here it is. Bam. Alright, so since it's ordered from StockX, it has the verified, authentic little tag on here. Alright. Oh yeah, and because they have to put that tag on, I guess that's why they removed this tag that comes with the shoe with the Tinker Hatfield and the Jordan logo on it. And I don't know where the chain to the tag is at, but I guess it's not a part of it anymore. Thanks, StockX. And yeah, so here's the shoe. I really like this shoe. A lot of people hate it just because they added the swoosh, which is very apparently it is like the worst thing you can do to an Air Jordan 3. But I love it just because this is the way that Tinker Hatfield has originally intended. Like this shoe is meant to have a swoosh on here, you know. Like to me, like the 3 has always looked kind of empty to me. If it's not the black colorway, like the white colorway, it's always been empty without something there. So it really makes sense when they explain it that their swoosh is supposed to be there, and there's the Jordan logo on the tongue, the iconic Jumpman, and yeah, so the swoosh is supposed to be there, but they removed it to start Jordan its own company. So that's why I really like this shoe, not only because of the aesthetics, but also because of the storytelling and the beginning of the Jordan brand. And aesthetic wise, I really like the colorway of the shoe. Like me personally, shoot me, but I'm not really a fan of the elephant print. And I like how the black elephant print makes it very subtle. And my favorite color is red, and I love how the heel tab is red to make the shoe really pop off. And alright, here's the shiny painted midsole, which I hope won't come off very soon. This is my first pair of Air Jordan 3, and I see the pictures of the old ones, and the midsoles are always the first thing to go because it's painted on. And then it's a visible air bubble. Alright, it's the bottom of the shoe. Very classic Air Jordan 3. And here's the medial side of the shoe. Got the Nike logo right there. Alright. I still don't know how I feel about the Nike logo. I like the swoosh, but I'm not sure how I feel about that. But it's the lateral side. I mean the medial side. So I don't think it'll make too much of a difference. All right. Okay. Here's the other shoe. All right. The Jordan logo looks clean. All right. Same thing. I don't really see too much. Oh, little blemish right there. Hopefully it can be rubbed off right here. Let's see. Little paint came off. That's a bummer. I think I can get that off pretty easily. Alright. Don't see anything on this side. Okay, this side looks good at least. But yeah, I'll have an in-depth detail with the shoe review after I try them on. So stay tuned for that. Like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, it's your boy Jay Tang. And hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching. Peace.